We are live. XRP, 51 cents right now, 1.71%. Let's go ahead and dive into this bad boy. See what's going on. See what is the next move for XRP. All right. So we came down and hit this 50 cents. You can see this has been acting as, this is the third time. Actually, the fourth, if you count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth time we've hit this area. We're bouncing around between 55 cents and 50. I do like right now we're getting that shift in momentum on the TTM squeeze histogram. You can see here whenever we're going from a strong bearish, which is red, to yellow, look, pop, pop, little pop. So I had to see what happens. We are getting this green sticker on the Radiant Fire Pro, but I like where it's at. And again, right now, 51 cents. If we take a look at it on the 30-minute time frame, you can see how we broke the support level, did this double bottom, came up, kind of just bouncing around. We're still, we're holding it right now. I like that we're back above this area. You can see here that's quite choppy. You could do that, maybe like an ascending triangle. So I'm going to take my rising support level and my resistance level. You can see here we've just came down, we bounced, came down, came down. So this low is getting higher. This low is getting higher. And it looks like we're getting higher here. Looking for that pop above 51. But I do like the fact that we are above that 50. XRP has not done too much. But if we look at XRP against some of the other coins that I look at, XRP against Ethereum right now is up 0.79%. I do like the fact that we are, momentum is heading up. TTM squeeze right there. You can see we went baby blue. Last time we went baby blue, it popped up. So I do like that. We got to get above this resistance level. We've come up here several times, right? Several times. Got to get above that. But XRP right now is strong against Ethereum. Now, XRP is also strong this second against Solana. Negative 0.49%. You can see here, though, we are coming back right now, but we did just have that reversal out of that squeeze. So prior to that, we have been downtrending. So Solana was getting weak against XRP. Now we did reverse, though, right here. So Solana started gaining some power against XRP. We're starting to pull back. You can see this histogram's bleeding off. Probably going to go into another squeeze. But right this second, XRP is strong against Solana. XRP's strong against Ethereum. Take a look at XRP against Bitcoin. Let me find my XRP against Bitcoin pair right about somewhere. Oh, well. We'll take a look at that here in a second. XRP against Bitcoin. XRP against right there. So that's Solana against Bitcoin. Where's it at here? Chainlink. XRP against Chainlink. So XRP right this second is strong against Chainlink. Strong against Ethereum. And looking at least pretty good right this second. Showing that strength. I do like that. But 51 cents. Got some hurdles to get through for sure. All right. What's happening on this crypto and stock market day? November the 5th. It's 2:30. We're going to take a look at what's happening with the stock market, the overall crypto market. Big day, guys. Big day. Election Tuesday. Election Tuesday. I'm going to take a look at some of the trades I'm trying to get into. But let's just start looking at this S&P. It's pumping right now as we speak. 65 points. So we had a nice, strong move there off that bottom. So it's up right now big. NASDAQ 100 of 232. Dow Jones 30 of 354. I don't know. Maybe they're sensing something. Maybe they're sensing something. But I do like that. Russell 2000's up 37. So that's good. All the indexes have been popping hard today, which is good because they had that down move, just like Bitcoin, bouncing strong here today. Gold, I've been watching gold. Obviously, gold's up. It's been screaming to the upside. Gold's up right now, 4.7. 4.7. The dollar's down. Dollar's down 0.44%. You can see we're pulling back right here. We just broke that 8 exponential move on average. But I do like that the stock market's up big time. That's big time. Coinbase. Look at Coinbase. Coinbase is up right now 5.33%, 196. Now, Coinbase is rebounded. It had a nasty earnings, right? We had earnings the other day. Coinbase just fell off. Pretty nasty. Hit our support level, bounced back up, so we're having a good rebound, and we are getting back above that key level of that 195-ish. So that's strong. Coinbase is up big. Bitcoin. All eyes on Bitcoin. All right, so I'm going to take a look at my most recent levels here on Bitcoin. So it's sitting right this second, 69,600. Now, we did come down into that 34 exponential move on average, and we bounced. We have pulled off over the last hour or so, but it is up 2.64%. Got to get back above. We got to get above that 70,000 and hold it. And then we'll make that run back up for that 73, right? Got to get to that all-time high. Pop through. I think a lot of it depends on what's going on coming up. Coming up today, right? In this election. We shall see. All eyes right now are on the election. 69,000. Ethereum. Hang on, I'm getting messages everywhere. Hang on a second, guys. All right. Ethereum, 34 points, 1.47%. Now, we did come right into this key level. I'm going to take a look at this 30-minute chart. Whenever we come into my key levels, this is the chart I like to look at. You can see we came down. We did what's called a double bottom. Momentum picked up. We are pulling back a little bit, but I am liking what's going on right now. As long as we can stay above that key level, 2,430 up 1.36%. So it's up. Weaker than Bitcoin, but at least it's up. Cardano's up 2.54, but again, just Cardano hasn't been doing much. It actually looks pretty much like Ethereum. Came into that support level. You can see came right down into this level. We're hugging it now. Oh no, we got to get Bitcoin a pop, man. Bitcoin pops, breaks to it high. Everything else is going to go with it. But at least it is good to see some green. There's been a lot of red. A lot of red, man. Taking a beating. At least it's green right now. Who knows what the hell's going to happen after tonight, but we shall see on that. So if I take my main watch list and I look to see what's up the most, what's down the most, H-bar. H-bar is up 9.49% right now. Okay, H-bar is up 9. Let's kind of redraw some of these together here. That area. Okay. So we got us a nice key level going on here. All right. So H-bar, kind of sandwiched in between some key levels. So pretty good today, though. I like the shift in momentum. That bearish momentum is weakening. Got a ways to go, but that's a big-ass candle. Look at Dogecoin. And Dogecoin might be anticipating a victory coming up, right? Elon Musk in that Trump campaign. I don't know. If he wins, I think there's a big things for Dogecoin. Big things for Dogecoin. Up 7% right this second. Pumping nicely. Shiba, 5.76%. Chainlink's up 5.48%. Solana's up. Algorand. Ondo. We'll take a look at Ondo. Again, I'm watching S&P 500. I'm going to bring over my other platform in a second. Ondo's up 3.77. Came down into a key level. Look to see if we can bounce. Polkadot's up. Matic, EOS, Mana, XLM. Pretty much looks like XRP, right? Pretty much looks like XRP. We're bouncing nicely right off of this major key level. We'll see. Cardano, Bitcoin. We got to get Bitcoin, though. Bitcoin up there. And again, taking a look back at XRP, you see how we've got these stacked moving averages to the downside. So there's been a lot of bearish pressure, at least recently. XRP has been channeling since September. Hasn't done much of anything, but we are currently in this squeeze. So that tells me XRP is setting up for a big move. And in my bet, I would say XRP is about to pop to the upside because you got that shift in momentum right there, like we talked about. And you're getting the buy signal on the Ready Aim Fire Pro. So what I'm looking for is this 8 exponential moving average, which is the blue, to cross the red, the 21. That's the first indication, just like here. And then that blue to cross the pink, which is the 34. We've got to see that momentum grind to the upside, get through that key level, 55 cents, and then I'll be shooting for that 66 cents. So what I'm looking for, though, is we're watching these key levels. We're looking for, lots of times, just remember, you're looking for breakouts and bounces off of these key levels. We break one key level, you want that key level to hold. So right now we're sitting right on top of a key level. So this is a critical spot for XRP. If it does bounce and get what we just talked about, we've got to get through that 55. Now we've had some rejection bars right here. If I zoom in and we take a look at these bars, right? Let's get in there good. You can see all sorts of action. So you see these wicks right there. That's a bearish pin bar. You call it a shooting star. Another bearish pin bar. So buyers pushed it up and then sellers came back in. That's what when you get that wick right here on the top, that's definitely bearish because those bulls tried to get it up there. Sellers fought it. So this area is way important to watch. Number one, we got to hold where we're at now, but we got to get through that 55. And if we do, then our next line of attack is this next key area, right? So if we can break up, we want to see that hold, and then it'll work its way up to that 66 cents. All you're doing is key level to key level. Now, if you're looking to buy XRP, you want to buy XRP when you think it's cheap, right? Now, in this case, it's against the dollar. So when it comes down into a key level and you get that shift in momentum, hey, if you think that's a good buy area, buy. Again, I already know what I look for. I drop it down into that 30-minute time frame, and I look for reversal patterns on that 30-minute time frame to give me a good idea. But that's where we're at on XRP. Now, I do like, let me sort here by strength. I do like XRP against Ethereum. We talked about that a minute ago, but this is one of my favorite pairs. What we're doing is we're comparing the strength of XRP against Ethereum. Now, this is my swing trading crypto, watch list. So I'm not looking to buy and hold. That's what I do against the US dollar. But until Bitcoin breaks to a new all-time high and takes off, I'm focusing more on swing trading my pairs as a way to grow my crypto bags before the next big run. So that's what you do. So like right here in this case, XRP has been going up against Ethereum, so it's gaining strength. Ethereum is weak. So if this rolls over and you like Ethereum, that would be the perfect opportunity to sell your XRP for cheap Ethereum. So if you want to get more Ethereum, you got to sell the strengths and the weaknesses of the pairs. I like it. And again, we broke up, so it's overvalued, but we'll see. It's been pumping up pretty nicely. Now, I know I have Bitcoin. Let's go look at Bitcoin against XRP. XRP against BTC. Okay, spell it here, XRP, BTC. There we go. Let's go look at it on Binance. We'll start off by just looking at it on this bigger time frame. All right, so XRP against Bitcoin. Stacked moving averages to the downside. So XRP has been weak against Bitcoin as of late. But you can see this is the way it worked. Look, it came down before, right there. Then we consolidated, went into the squeeze. That's the time. Bam, we shot up. At that moment, this was back in July, XRP was whooping Bitcoin. It was whooping Bitcoin. Then it kind of based out. You can see those moving averages cross right there. We went back into that squeeze, fired to the downside. So in that particular case, XRP was weak. So if you're just trading the pair right here, since XRP was weak against Bitcoin, you could have bought more XRP with your Bitcoin. Then it goes up. XRP is strong against Bitcoin. So then what do? You sell your Bitcoin for XRP. Then when it goes back down, XRP is weak again. And then as soon as you see it's a good level, start to reverse, now you can sell your Bitcoin for more XRP. So if you like XRP or Bitcoin, which I'm sure you do, then this is a way to grow your bags without having to come up with any more money. So I'm going to be looking for reversal patterns because I know XRP is cheap against Bitcoin. And then we can sell our trading bag, Bitcoin, for XRP and watch it go up. 2 bags. I got one that's a longer term holding against the US dollar. And then my swing trading portfolio, which I don't mind swapping it out. So if I've got $3,000 in XRP, I'll swap it out to Bitcoin because all I'm trying to do is grow my crypto. So at this second, XRP is weak against Bitcoin. Okay, so I love these pairs. I love looking at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart right here. Now, this has been in a eternal downtrend, right? Look at that. I mean, this pair is just dropping like a rock. So Ethereum, super weak against Bitcoin. So we can do that same concept, right? When we start to see evidence that this is reversing, we can take our Bitcoin and we can buy Ethereum cheap. And then when it goes up, do the opposite. So I love these swing trading pairs. All right, getting back to the S&P 500. 59, basically 60. So it's kind of hanging in there. All the indexes are. I like to bring over my TOS platform. I'm looking for opportunities. This is my watch list today. We had our option trading class. We built this live in class today. I've got a position I'm trying to get in on gold. It's a debit spread. So it's a credit. Well, it's not a credit. It's a debit spread for those of you that trade options. It's a bull call debit spread. So I'm looking for gold to pop to the upside. I got a nice entry signal. I'm trying to get filled. The market maker's just not feeling me. So I'm looking at Schlumberger, looking for entries, kind of go through here. This is what I do at the end of the day. I go through my main watch list that I've identified from earlier, and I look to see if I can get any entries. I'm looking to take trade. God, I'm trying to get in this gold position. American Airlines. And right there, that's a nice looking picture. MicroStrategies, nice looking picture. Nice looking picture. There, little bear flag going on. MU. All right, so MU has popped back above that, so I'm not interested in that anymore. I love that one. Again, I'm just looking for Tesla. All right, Elon. Come on, Elon. Roku. All good stuff there. Again, I'm just trying to get into gold and just looking at this right now. We're in a black squeeze. Market's up 61, so we're kind of pumping hard. It's going to be a big night, everybody. Big night. Now, we did come down and hit that 50 simple moving average right here. We held that. I like it. Kind of like Bitcoin, right? Market's up today. Bitcoin's up today. Bitcoin's up, so a lot of stuff's up. So I'm not sure. I'm trying to get filled on this gold position. Did I get filled? Hang on, this is an option. Right there, I'm trying to get filled on this debit spread going in towards the end, right? It's a call debit spread. Damn it. Really trying to get filled on that position. We'll see. See how we kind of close out. Again, let's go back to Bitcoin, right? You can see how it's popping, right? Just like that S&P 500. Look, S&P 500, pull back, it's popping. Bitcoin been pulling back. Now, Bitcoin has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red days in a row. So if we can finish this day green, that'll be the first green day in a while. Not green day like the group, right? But, hey, last time, same concept, right? We're going down, and then bam. You know, this is a higher low. If you look at the last two lows, here's a low, here's a low. This high is higher than this high. This low, right? This low is higher than this low. This high is higher than this high. Okay, so that's higher highs, higher lows. That's an uptrend. Bitcoin is trending up. It's got stacked moving averages to the upside. So if we hold this low, I'm expecting it to get back up to that all-time high. Now, if we let's go back to XRP and let's take a look at these lows. So XRP coming down, we had a low. Went up, here was a high. So we had a lower high. That's bearish. Okay, lower high is bearish. But then as we came down, we made an equal low. Okay, now I said LH, that's a lower high. So an equal low. That is our first indication of a possible reversal. That's what you want to see, right? In a downtrend, you want to see lower highs and lower lows. Then your first clue is for that to change. And in this particular case, as it came down and made an equal low, that's the first indication of a reversal. Yeah, we got the shift in momentum. Yes, we got this buy arrow. But now I'm watching this high. If XRP can pop up through that high, we call that the V notch, then it'll be a higher high from this. Then after it pulls back and tests it, you got that first higher low. So that's what we're looking for. Now that we got that equal low, that's evidence that we could be reversing, but we've got to pop to a new high of 53 cents. Got to get above that. Then I'll be looking for it to come back, make that higher low, and work its way up to 55 cents. So that's how you do it, right? All the indications. Again, going back to Bitcoin, Bitcoin has like we just talked about, a higher low and a higher high. So the first indication that Bitcoin might be reversing to the downside is it doesn't break that high. Doesn't break that high. Now, as long as Bitcoin doesn't crash down and break that low, then at a minimum, sideways consolidation. So just look at market structure, right? Bitcoin 69,503, S&P 65, XRP's 51 cents, kind of coming into the close. Gold looks like we're gonna, again, I don't want to say that yet, but it looks like the Dow Jones is gonna finish up today. Nasdaq's gonna finish up today. So we're in the green. Thank goodness. We got H-bar pumping as we speak, 11% Doge, Shiba, Chainlink. The only thing red on my board, oh, there you go. There's that XRP pair. All right, the only thing red on my board is Tron. Tron, man. Tron went up to 16 cents. I'm now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But Tron looks like Bitcoin did a minute ago. Take a look at that. Bitcoin ran up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull back, and then it bounced. Look at Tron. Tron ran up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now Tron is pulling back. So if it's any indication, Bitcoin is showing us what could happen with Tron. Now, we did fall back in this zone. So I'm looking for this level right here. right? That 1578 to hold. Actually, what we could do is let's swing this over here at 1557. So Tron could drop down a little ways unless this 20 or 34 acts as a support level. But that's the only thing red on my board. Look, market's coming in popping there here at the end, right? Where's that? Go back kind of here. Oh, there it is, 64, right? And again, kind of just finishing up with XRP is very critical that we hold this low, get above this high, work our way to that 55-cent area, break it. Okay, we haven't done it yet. So we want to break it and hold. We're going to find out because something big is coming. Something big is coming. And we'll see with the election. Whew, gonna be good. So keep your fingers crossed that it goes your way, whatever that may be. Keep your head on a swivel. Things are going to get good. Stuff's popping. All right. Stay strong. Go throughout the night. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Peace.